Well, I look for all the criteria that they mentioned. So, is it easy to prepare? Does it taste good? Does it look good? Is it healthy? And the overall composition of their plate, how well they can tell me, why did they choose this dish? What does it mean to them?
Will this be your dinner, guys?
This is dinner.
I mean, it might be more of an appetizer, but for sure,
I'm looking forward to this.
I'm excited about this. I'm excited.
What inspired you to make this dish?
Well, I like my meatball, and it's really, really yummy.
I'm following you. And then you do your mixing?
How long has it got to cook for?
25 minutes.
25 minutes?
That's how long it cooks. And 4 minutes of boil.
Oh, okay. You got a good feeling about yours?
Yeah.
Pretty confident?
Yeah. I cook this all the time at my house.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So you're a pro?
Not pro, but I'm good at it.
The ultimate goal here for one of these students is to be in the national competition, which will be about 500 different little chefs, and one of them will be the winner. They get bragging rights. They also get a trip to DC, I believe it is this year, and accolades. They get prizes.
And in first place is Audrey.
Congrats, Audrey.
Good job, Audrey.